5 exotic superfood fruits that you've never heard of. When it comes to eating more fruits and vegetables, many people will translate this automatically to eat more apples and carrots. There are a few classic fruits and vegetables that we tend to think of, and anything else is way off our radar. This is a mistake though. When you get a bit more adventurous, you can often find amazing fruits and vegetables that come packed with a ton of amazing benefits. In this presentation, we'll list 5 that you might never have heard of. Black chokeberry. Okay, this doesn't sound like something that would be good for your health, but it totally is. A black chokeberry is definitely a lesser-known fruit, but it's one that can help to improve weight loss, eye health, healing, and digestion. It's also great for combating cancer. Chokeberries have a great ratio of calories to nutrients, making them a perfect diet food. Rosehip. Rosehip was apparently all the rage during World War II, but has since flown off the radar. Rosehips are extremely high in vitamin C, with 4 times as much of the stuff as black currants. This makes them perfect for fending off colds and flus. Rambutans. Rambutans are similar to lychee, but still very unusual looking. They are high in vitamin C and also contain a high water content. This makes them great for dieting, but also useful for hydration. Did you know we get a lot of our hydration from our food? Physalis. Sounds a bit like a disease, so you might prefer to call it Cape gooseberry. Either way, this is a cherry that is related to the tomato, and which can be used in place of it for those with allergies. It's high in vitamin A, which makes it great for eye health and skin health. Guano. The horned melon. The fruit of South Africa is covered in small spikes. It's another one that has high water content, 80%, and it's also high in antioxidants and other nutrients such as vitamin E and A. It is particularly well regarded for its ability to fight Alzheimer's. Looking for more of a specific nutrient or trying to solve a particular ailment? Then try branching out, no pun intended, and exploring more exotic fruits. You might just find something that changes your health drastically for the better and that you love the taste of.